Guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, study, and how are you today? Okay, today we will learn about procedure text, and the last week we study about narrative text, and today we will study about procedure text. Do you know procedure text, guys? Okay, in this slide you can see what is procedure text. And procedure text is a text that contain orders or step in doing something. In other words, this procedure text is meant to give an idea of how something is done through sequential steps. And the title of procedure text that is very easy to recognize usually begins with the word how to. For example, is how to learn English quickly. Slide features of the text procedure. Yang pertama, use simple present tense. Yang kedua ada use imperative sentence, common sentence. For example, add maksudnya. To sponge, cook with low heat, blend the speech, dan seterusnya. Terus using action verb, itu bisa kita lihat contohnya, ada put, turn. Terus using numbering, for example first, second, and third. Using conjunction, connection word, example next, then, while. Using adverb, and for example correctly, carefully, slowly, for 2 minutes, dan seterusnya. Okay, next slide. Type of procedure text. Yang pertama ada procedure text that explain how to operate you or use something. For example, how to use a camera, how to use a rice cooker. And then for number 2 is procedure text that provides instruction for carrying out certain activities. For example is how to play guitar and how to make a brownies. And number 3 is procedure text relate to tips for living life. For example is how to be successful in life and how to make yourself happy. Okay. Next slide is procedure text structure atau struktur dalam procedure text. Bisa kita lihat ada 4 dalam struktur procedure text. Yang pertama itu ada goal or aim, content that aim and objective of the relate procedure text. Yang kedua ada material. Content the materials need to carry out the stage of procedure text. Apart from the word materials, you can also use the word ingredients. And number 3 is step, a list of sequential steps to complete to the procedure text. To indicate steps, generally use number or words such as first, secondly, finally, dan seterusnya. Dan yang terakhir adalah result, the result of the process or step that have been carried out. Okay, next. Function of procedure text. In line with the definition which focus on step to do something, the main function of this text is to explain one by one how something can be made or achieved. Okay, next. Dalam slide ini kalian bisa melihat contoh dari example of procedure text. Nah, di sini adalah contoh procedure text yang mana procedure text ini membuat Korean sandwich. How to make Korean sandwich. Oke. Nah, sekarang exercise. Choose the best answer based on the above for question number 2 until number 5. Jika kalian benar semua, maka kalian akan mendapatkan nilai 100. Karena setiap poin, setiap satu soal kalian mendapatkan 20 poin jika kalian mengerjakan dengan benar. Okay, I think enough for today. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.